Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about cosine 2x equals to cosine x squared minus sine x squared. So this one we change by this one. And this one we change by this one. Because we have the same power 2013 and this one in here. So we can put like this. This one we change the sign by negative. So we have negative cosine s squared plus sine s squared. Next, this one divide by this one divide by this one, and so on in here. And now we have like this. Next, we have the formula. So 1 divided by sine x cosine x, that is about secant of s cosecant of s. Sine x divided by sine x cosine x. Now we just have 1 over cosine x, that is about secant of x. This one, that is about tan x and secant of x, because sine x over cosine x, that is about tan x. 1 over cosine x, that is about secant of x. This one we have cosecant of x squared, and this one we have secant of x squared. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. So this one we do first derivative of secant of x. This one we do first derivative of secant of x. Now we simplify. This one we have secant of x tan x cosecant of x. The next one we have negative cosecant of x cotang x secant of x. The next one we have secant of x tan x. Now we need to simplify. So tan x, that is about sine x over cosine x. Cosecant of x, that is about 1 over sine x. This one cosine x over sine x. This one we have 1 over cosine x. And now we simplify sine x. This one we simplify. This one, that is about secant of x cosecant of x. This one we have secant of x squared. This one we have cosecant of x squared. So we see that this one we change by u. This one we change by du. And now we have the formula in here. So this one we have u to the power of 2013 plus 1 over 2013 plus 1, and I will put about c. So this one we have 2014 about u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.